Hello, this is Sam with Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this DeLonghi Magnifica Espresso machine. The primary issue with this machine was that the door was there was a crack in the spout, and it was causing a leak down the door here and all around the machine and dripping onto the counter because it would flow behind the drip tray. So we fixed the crack, and we also performed a tune-up on this machine, and so let's go ahead and test it. So we have a nice shot of espresso. Thank you for repairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our video below, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.